Hello, welcome to the Mockup Oasis. Thank you for your purchase and for visiting my store. I have this video so you can go through the mockup with a breeze. Everything is grouped together for you. You do have a window reflection option. I just put it in here just to beef up the mockups for you, but you can use it by turning it on or turning it off. Of course, you can maneuver it around a bit as well. So to move it around, hit your move tool, take it, and you can just move it where you want it to be. If you want to adjust it, click on the reflection. Yours will say window reflection. Right now mine say group 2, but your purchase will say window reflection. You click on that and then you hit Control T. It will have a box come up to let you know that it will temporarily turn off your smart filters, but it will put it back once you're done. You can just click OK on that box and let it do what it needs to do. And you just take the handles and you do what you want to do as far as make it bigger or smaller. You right click, your box will open. A box will open. I don't know if you can see this, but know that a panel will open and then we'll have the option where you can hit perspective or distort. You will click distort. When you hit distort, it'll give you the ability to move that reflection up, down. You can pull it out, do whatever it is that you like with this reflection to suit your needs, your wants, okay? Turn off the reflection and I will close that out so we won't be confused. Next, you have your color change. Expand that group, and what you will see, you will have 5 different color option changes, okay? I will turn them all off and go through them with you. So your first color change option is where you can do your whole entire stand and the balls. You change that color. Turn that one off. Your second one is just the balls, okay? Your third one is your neck collar. Your fourth one is the entire glasses, everything on your eyeglasses. And your fifth one is just the frames of your glasses. So you can play around this and colorize whichever one you want. All right. I have with the standing ball and then the glasses only, I have those color matching. And then I have just your balls, your color, and your whole glasses matching. So to change the color on these things, all of these right here are your color adjusting. So we're going to do the one on the balls, the ones that are lit. But this method will apply to all of them, okay? So we'll just do one. So let's do the balls. We will double click on the adjustment layer and your panel will open up with your hue, saturation, and your lightness. You take your handle and you can just move it over from the balls. Pay attention to the balls. And it will change the color of the balls. So you can do that to match up with your art. Same thing with your collar. Just take that handle, move it, look at the collar. It's changing the color of your collar. See that? Same thing with your whole glasses. Double click on the adjustment box right here where the mouse is. This is what you will double click on the adjustment layer. Go to the handle, move it about, and change that color of the glasses. And that's how you work with your colors, okay? And again, you do that for all 5 if you want to change the colors, but of course, you have to have the light on. It has to be on for you to see the adjustment. So that's why I did the ones that was on first. But if you want to do your standing ball, turn it on. You turn off your balls and then double click on the standing ball and move your handle and just change the color. And that's how that works, okay? Turn that off and turn your balls back on. So let's close out that and let's see how to do your design. We will expand that group. You have your first that say do not turn off or touch. Don't bother this. It's there for a reason. This one here too. Do not touch. You don't touch those because it helps with your frame to make sure that it's behind the puppy. So don't touch that. Don't do anything to it. Leave it alone. Where you will do something to is where it say place design here. You will double click on your smart object where the mouse is. Double click, your box will open, your window will open, and this is where you will place your art. And to put your art in here, all you have to do is find whatever art you want to put in here, drag over into there, just drag it over, release it, let the computer or program load it up for you. And once it's loaded up, you will see your design in here. If you do not see your design, that is because we did not turn off what was already in there. So we will turn off that first layer, and there's your art. When you do it that way, unfortunately gets rid of your transforming box. However, if that happens, all you have to do is hit Control T or Command T if you're on the Mac. And then you just put your art how you would want it to be on the frame. Okay? Once you have it set, click up here where it says done, then hit Control, or if you're on the Mac, Command S, so it can save and close out that window, and your art is in there. Simple as that. And again, we will go to your color change, and we will change the colors around to match your art. Okay, let's mess with the balls first. We will double click on your adjustment layer, and let's see, let's choose the dominant color. We can do that, or we can choose the less dominant, which is that yellow down there, that yellow up there, or that orange down up in here. You know, pick whatever color you want. Let's do the purple. Let's go up in here in this purple. Okay. If that color is too light for you, go to your saturation. Your saturations make your color a little bit more bolder, or it'll make it a little bit more. If you take it all the way down, it'll take it off, but you take it lower and then it'll lighten it up. You see how that's more like a pastel color? We don't want that anyway. Not right now, but that's showing you what you can do with that. As well as you can go to your lightness and you can darken that up some, or you can lighten it up some. Just move it around like that, you know, to just get it where you want to. So we'll leave that there. Let's make this a little bit more purple if we can. Yeah, right there. Now let's do the collar. Go to your adjustment layer, double click on the adjustment box where you see the mouse is. That is what you will double click on, and it will open your panel to change your colors. Take that handle, move it on over to your purple, see? And then we'll do the glasses. Let's double click on your adjustment layer, on your adjustment layer box, and we will move that purple over. Oh, that's pink. I'm looking at the glasses. And you have your purple. It's matching your art. And it's as simple as that. You know, you can do it that way. Let's turn these off. Or you can do your standing ball. Your glass frames only, let's play with those. So in your standing ball, let's double click on that adjustment layer. Go over there, turn that purple. Okay, and let's go to your glasses. Double click on there, move that over, turn it purple. And there you are, matching your art. You probably want to do your collar too, okay? Let's turn your collar on, and it's already purple, so. And there you go, you're matching your art. It's as simple as that. It's not hard. It probably looks intimidating, but it's very simple. Just follow the video and get your colors how you want to. Get your art, your poster, your mock-up fitted to how you want it to look, okay? Well, enjoy your mock-up. Thank you again for visiting my shop, making a purchase, and hope to see you back. Any questions, concerns, or even if you have anything that you want me to personally create a mock-up on, send me an email and I will get back with you as soon as possible. All right. Thank you. You all have a wonderful and blessed day.